Hi besties, today's recipe is beef stew. Guys, trust me, you don't want to miss this recipe. This recipe is beginner free because it's very detailed. If it's your first time watching me, you're welcome. My returnees, you're welcome. Just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified. Dr. Ross's Kitchen. So these are the ingredients you're going to use in this recipe. Do well to check the name in my YouTube description button. So I'll go ahead and slice my aromatics. Okay, that's my ginger and garlic into pieces and then blend them. All right, so I'll go ahead and blend the pepper and the onion together and then blend the tomatoes as well. Trust me, you can blend everything together, but I don't know, that's how I am though. So that's my beef. I have washed it already. I'm going to wash it again. Okay, so with vinegar. So as you can see, I am washing it very well, and after I'm going to divide them into my preference. Okay, the sizes I want, do the same thing. Okay, so after dividing them, I'll go ahead and transfer it onto my clean pot. Okay, the pot is very clean, and then I'll go ahead and add my spices. Okay, so this is my beef seasoning and then my all-purpose seasoning, and then I'll go ahead and add salt to taste, add a little water, stir to mix, and then I'll transfer to my stove. Okay, so I'll be checking it. Guys, I forgot to add garlic. So that's garlic and ginger. Okay, so I added the garlic and ginger. I added a little water and then I covered again. That is what happened most of the time. When you remember, you just go ahead and you add it to it. Okay, so I checked till the meat was cooked, and then I put my pot on the fire. It's hot. Okay, so this is my oil. I used it to fry chicken the last time. Okay, so don't worry, whatever you are seeing in the oil is ginger. Okay, so the oil is hot now, so I'll go ahead and fry it. Okay, till it becomes golden brown, depending on how you want it. Guys, that's how I want my beef, exactly like this. Guys, so beautiful, and it smells so nice as well. So this is my rosemary, my thyme, and my nkete. That is how I prepare my stew. And this curry powder, I want everything to infuse in the oil. I've always said that try preparing your stew this way and you will thank me later. Guys, when you prepare your stew this way, you don't need any spices again unless you want more spices. Okay, so I fried it for 5 minutes and I added garlic and ginger paste. Okay, I stirred to mix, and then I went ahead to add my onions pepper mix. All right, so after adding the onion pepper mix, I'll go ahead and stir for it to mix again and let it cook for like 5 minutes, and I'll go ahead and add the tomato blend as well. Okay, so that's it. I'll add my beef stock. Okay, so after adding your beef stock, stir till everything is well combined, cover, and then be checking from time to time. Okay, so that you don't burn your stew. Make sure you lower your stew, and we are definitely going to pair the stew with rice, and the rice is ready. Guys, I can't wait though. So as I said, just keep checking and keep stirring. Make sure your stove is lowered. Okay, I did the same thing and mine didn't burn. It didn't mess up my kitchen. Okay, always know what you do at the right time. So I kept checking, I kept stirring, and then I added my shrimp cube. Okay, so after adding the shrimp cube, I added my salt to taste, and then went in with my pork. Okay, this is pork. It was in my fridge, and then I added my fried beef. Guys, if you don't like pork, please, it's optional. Please just opt that one. Okay, so the oil was too much, so I scooped some of the oil and I went in with my bell peppers and sliced onions. Guys, go ahead and add your delicious or your favorite vegetable of your choice. Okay, it is ready, smells amazing, and it tastes so delicious. I want you to try this recipe. Give it a try and let me know in my comment section. My name is Dr. Rosie. Bye.